Hey, how you doing today? You reached the John Freitag channel. So, as you guys know, I'm usually at the war with old rotten junk tractor tires. And here's a perfect example. We've got some bad tires here. Now, they're both flat, and they're both dry rotted and checked, and I gotta get them off these rims. Now, Connor, of course, figures we ought to take the wheels off, do all that, but you know what? I got another idea, and it involves the backhoe. As usual, it usually does wind up involving the backhoe when I think about tires. Oh, here comes Connor now.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, nothing. Just playing with my new gimbal. Hi, Case.
Holds it really steady, huh?
Oh, yeah. Just look.
Ooh, fancy.
Just keeps it right on you.
Wow, you're like a two-legged drone.
Well, tell me what you think of this.
I don't know, what are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking. Oh, you broke them down already. Well, you can't beat that. Let's jack it up and put it on those big jack stands.
Okay. Have backhoe, we'll travel.
Yeah.
That camera's on, by the way.
Oh, I can do stuff with it?
Yeah, do some cameraing with it.
How's it work? Oh, that's pretty
See a
simple.
little joystick, you can move stuff around with that.
Oh, yeah? So you could lock it?
You can change it to pan follow, tilt follow. You can carry it suitcase mode.
I don't have a clue. What's the little red button do?
That little red button's the trigger for that. Don't do anything. The joystick, just to the right, to the left of that red button.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's too cool. Let's use the backhoe, pop them off.
The other side, Con.
Can't say I'm good at this yet, but wow, that's
Oh,
cool. It's off there.
I guess we don't want to do that with a tire you'd want to save, right?
No, but for getting old crappy tires off, it really works well. Yeah. Okay, great.
Heroes, do the other side.
Hey boy, hop on my lap. There, I'll stay right there.
Whoa, that's wacky. Don't press that button.
They got too straight on it, you know?
That machine is so sloppy.
Come on, bud.
Well, you're close. You cut into the tire.
Huh?
You cut into the tire. I think.
Oh, it's really stuck, isn't it?
Yeah, you about got it. There he goes.
Alright, going in for the other one. This one, my angle's a little bit better. My visibility's a little bit worse.
I think you make it that title.
There we go. That got it.
Got them all now, right? Everything
Yeah.
broke down. Should I hit that a little bit more or no?
Don't do it.
Oop.
Kate
What?
says, don't do it, don't do it.
I'm not very good at this.
I wish I could just push it right off with it, but I guess that ain't gonna happen. All right, well, that worked.
It did work. Let's jack it up and start wrestling with them.
I think that's gonna go.
Now it's just time for laborious work at breaking them down and taking them off the rims. But we got the tire off, and you know what? It was fairly easy because I used the backhoe to yank it off. We used the pry bars to get it off the rim and then the backhoe to yank it off, but man, these rims are rough. Woo! Oh boy, they're kind of flimsy too. I don't know, Connor, this one might need a replacement. We'll have to see. We're gonna clean them up a little bit, and they just seem kind of flimsy. What do you think?
Yeah, they suck.
Oh, okay. Not to put too fine a point on
They're
it.
$400 or $500 a pop right now.
I know, they're pricey. We could make some.
No. No, we can't.
No, we can't? Okay. All right, well, we're gonna jack this thing up and then try to get the other one off. All right, we gotta get this tire off here. We're gonna, oh, just tear it off, Con, you about got it. I think you're gonna get it, you got it. Whoops.
I tried the backhoe.
You gotta try the backhoe?
That would be easier.
Yeah, and it would be stronger.
The backhoe is pretty strong.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what he does. Nice and gentle, Connor. You gotta give it a little upswing.
Yep. I started a tractor now.
Yeah, it's coming off the blocks again, isn't it?
Yeah. Gotta ruin the jack hose.
Boom, the jack hose. Oh, we don't want that. All right, it's going down. You're gonna be off the tire. Hold it, stop. Go this way with it. It's off.
Yeah,
But it's also going off the blocks.
yeah.
You got it.
Whatever happens quick.
Yeah.
As soon as it doesn't take much to get it off the block.
No, it doesn't. Well, we're gonna have to do something better about blocks. Well, we got it. We just gotta yank that tire off now. We're good. Hope you guys liked that little video, taking off tractor tires with a backhoe again. But hey man, my back's getting old. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you guys on the next one.